Stop the clock. Stop the clock for foul. Start the clock. 1 point. 2 points. 3 points. Substitution. Beconing in. Charge timeout. Media timeout. Cancel score, cancel play. Visible count. Communication. Shot clock reset. Direction of play. Traveling. Illegal dribble, double dribbling. Illegal dribble, carrying the ball. 3 seconds. 5 seconds. 8 seconds. 24 seconds. Ball returned to backcourt. Deliberate football. Blocking. Defense. Illegal screen offense. Pushing or charging without the ball. Hand checking. Illegal use of hands. Charging with the ball. Illegal contact to the hand. Excessive swing of elbow. Hit to the head. Double foul. Technical foul. Unsportsmanlike foul. Disqualifying foul. After foul without free throws. After foul by team in control of the ball. 1 free throw. 2 free throw. 3 free throw. 1 free throw. 2 free throws. 3 free throws.